After 2, and actually even better if you go for 3 days without eating, it kicks in even greater longevity benefits. And there's a natural cleansing that happens when you're hungry. Macroautophagy, its name is. But a good friend of mine, Anna Maria Cuervo at Albert Einstein College of Medicine, discovered a deep cleanse called the chaperone-mediated autophagy, which kicks in day 2, day 3, which really gets rid of the deep proteins. And what excites me is she just put out a big paper that said, if you trigger this process in an old mouse, it lives 35% longer. So what we now know is that these longevity pathways, we call them, these longevity genes, they're all talking to each other. You pull one lever and the other one moves. And the way to think of it is that there are systems set up to detect what you're eating. So the sirtuins will mainly respond to sugar and insulin. And then there's this other system called mTOR, which is sensing how much protein or amino acids are coming into your body. And they talk to each other. We can pull one and affect the other and vice versa. But together, when you're fasting, you'll get the sirtuin activation, which is good for you. And you'll also, through lack of amino acids, particularly 3 of them, leucine, isoleucine, valine, the body will downregulate mTOR. And it's that up sirtuin, down mTOR that is hugely beneficial and turns on all of the body's defenses, chewing up the old proteins, improving insulin sensitivity, giving us more energy, repairing cells, all of that. And so these 2 pathways, I think, are the most important for longevity.